Hi, I'm Jesse Krier from K2 Ranch in Clayton, Wisconsin. Welcome to the Greatmats Horse Training Series. So this is one of the biggest obstacles we've got, and it's kind of an impressive one, but to get him stepping up on the tires, we did the tire earlier, now we're gonna go up onto these other tires, and she has yet to step up on this top tire, and so we're gonna ask her to do so. But first, we're just gonna introduce her by just stepping across these smaller ones, something less invasive. She's done this already. Good girl. Kind of a little lead up to stepping on the big tires. Pay attention. Get your body over here. And stepping across here, using these tires to kind of funnel her body into it, it really works well too. She's done that a few times now. So that's the big lead up to the big tire. Stepping on it this way is a little different story, isn't it, girl? Keeping her between our reins, pushing her up to the obstacle. She's showing interest, looking at it, looking for any grass she can find. A little more encouragement. Good girl. Whoops. Just another step is all it is, girl. Good girl. Step, all four. Good girl. Look at you. You can see so much more up here, can't you? She's relaxed. That's good. Stepping down, forward movement. Good girl. Do we want to do it again to sink it in stone? What do you think, girl? One more time. Good girl. Paused on her own. Look at that. I didn't even have to stop her. So there's more going on here than just standing up on a tire. Those tires are giving and they're spongy feeling. When you watch other horses, or as you guys can see, that sponginess is a little not a sure footing for them underneath their feet. So that's a big step for them to be able to do this. Okay, let's step down. This is Jesse Krier, and you've been watching the Greatmats Horse Training Series.
Greatmats is a national flooring retailer. Contact Greatmats for free samples, free design help, and live customer service today. If you like what you've seen here, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow Greatmats on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Twitter.